I'm Tom Dyer, and today I'm going to show you the easiest, tastiest pina colada in the world. Let's get to it.
If you like pina coladas, sorry for messing it, you're going to love this pina colada. Really, really easy to make, and you probably have all the ingredients in your cupboard if you're an alcoholic. Just kidding. Anyway, tall glass, plenty of ice. I'm using some clear ice made from my clear ice cube maker. There is a link in the description below. Then we need just regular old white rum. Or if you don't have that, any rum you've got in your cupboard will work just fine. And you want a double shot of that, and you can pour that directly over the ice into the glass. Next up, you need some fresh coconut water direct from the coconut. You want 200 mils, or about 4 ounces. And then on top of that, fresh pineapple juice. Now I've squeezed this pineapple juice directly from the carton myself. And you want to just pour that directly on top as well. You see, I'm not measuring. You don't really have to measure if you don't want to. Just go crazy. Next up, little secret ingredient, a pinch of salt. Ready? A little pinch of salt on top. And we need to balance that out with a squeeze of lime, just a lime wedge. And you can drop that lime in the glass if you want, or you can chuck it away like I did. Then just give it a stir. Now you could shake it if you wanted to, and that's going to create a slightly different texture, but stirring will do just fine. And then for garnish, grab yourself a pineapple, slice yourself off a nice wheel like this. And then you don't want to cut it directly in half, you want to cut it just off center. And then just off the top middle, you just cut a little wedge in it, and it will sit on the side of the glass like this. Boom. How good does that look? Get a straw in there, and then for a bit of color, you don't have to do this, 3 pineapple leaves. That adds a bit of greenery, makes it look a little bit more fancy. And there we have it. What do you think about that?
There it is. The easiest, tastiest pina colada in the world. So, super easy to make, super tasty. I mean, it tastes like juice. Basically, pina colada juice. Have you ever gone to the supermarket and you see in that carton that they have pineapple and coconut mixed together? You could just use that if you really wanted to and mix it with rum. But in this case, you're using fresh coconut water, pineapple juice, preferably fresh pineapple juice if you can get your hands on it. A good tasting rum, just a white rum is good enough. You don't want any aged or brown or black rum, dark rum, anything like that. Just a simple white rum, good tasting rum, and a pinch of salt. That is the secret ingredient. The pinch of salt helps enhance all those flavors that are inside the glass, and then a squeeze of lime just to balance out the sweetness. And hey presto, a super deluxe, deliciously tasty pina colada. What more could you want? The best pina colada in the world? Maybe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and a massive thank you to all these guys and girls right here who do support me over on Patreon. If you want to get involved in the Patreon community where you can message me personally, you can get involved in our live streams, or you can see all the content which I'm posting over there as well. There is a link down in the description below if you want to be involved. But again, massive thank you to all you guys and girls. I really do appreciate all of your support. I'm going to take this pina colada, probably the best pina colada in the world, maybe the best cocktail in the world. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you are new around here. Click the bell for notifications. I'm posting 2 videos per week. And until next week, or until next time, I'll see you then.